Join us Saturday, May 3rd from 10 to 4 for the Metan Open House. Boats, beers, cars, and coffee. And the best pizza on the planet brought in by the pizza man himself, Billy from Modern Day Pete's in New Haven, Connecticut. And speaking of Modern Day Pete's, come check out the Metan Modern Mako and the many other restorations and refit projects, such as this one-of-one Metan spin on this Boston Whaler 27 Outrage center console. And of course, you'll be able to check out all the models of the Metan Classic Collection boat line. Let's not forget some of the most beautiful custom hot rods and trucks from the boys next door at New England Muscle Cars. So whether you're into boats and beers or cars and coffee, come join us. And if you're not, well, we all love pizza. See you then.